Traveling can be one of life's greatest joys, but let's be honest, flight delays, lost luggage, last-minute cancellations, and language barriers can turn a dream trip into a stressful mess. Thankfully, smart technology is revolutionizing travel, making every journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. In this video, we'll explore the best smart tools for hassle-free travel, from AI-powered flight tracking and luggage tracking to language translation apps, digital wallets, and eSIMs that keep you connected anywhere in the world. Stick around until the end because we'll also share some hidden gems, little-known travel tools that can make a huge difference on your next adventure. Let's get started. Before you even step on a plane, smart planning can save you time, money, and headaches. Let's break down the best digital tools to organize your trip seamlessly. Segment 1. Smart Planning Tools. 1. Google Travel. Your all-in-one travel planner. Imagine having all your flight details, hotel bookings, and itinerary in one place. Google Travel automatically pulls in information from your email and updates you on delays, gate changes, and price drops. Google Travel alerts users about a flight change and suggests nearby hotels when a layover is extended. You can also use Google Travel to find things to do based on your interests. 2. Skyscanner and Hopper. AI-powered flight deal finder Skyscanner and Hopper analyze past flight data to predict when ticket prices will rise or drop, helping you book at the right time. Set up price alerts to get notifications when fares drop. 3. Rome to Rio, the ultimate route planner. Not sure whether to fly, take a train, or drive? Rome to Rio compares all transportation options, including estimated travel time and costs. Segment 2. Smart Packing Tools. Never overpack or lose your luggage again. Packing is an art, and the right smart tools can help you avoid overweight baggage fees, stay organized, and track your bags in real time. 4. PackPoint. Your personalized packing assistant. PackPoint asks you where you're going, the length of your trip, and planned activities, then generates a customized packing list based on weather conditions and trip type. 5. AirTags and Tile. Track your luggage anywhere. Lost luggage? AirTags, Apple, and Tile, Android, allow you to track your bag in real time, giving you peace of mind. Hide an AirTag inside your suitcase lining for extra security. 6. Compression Packing Cubes. The Space Saver. Packing cubes help organize clothes and save space, but compression cubes go a step further by squeezing out air, reducing bulk. Segment 3. Smart Navigation and Translation Tools. Never get lost again. Exploring a new city is exciting, but getting lost or struggling with a foreign language can be frustrating. Here's how smart tools can help. 7. Google Maps Offline Mode. Navigate without internet. Save an area on Google Maps so you can navigate without Wi-Fi or cellular data. 8. Citymapper. Real-time public transport update. Citymapper is like Google Maps for public transit, offering real-time metro, bus, and train schedules in major cities worldwide. 9. Google Lens and iTranslate. Instant translation for signs and menus. Point your phone at any foreign text, and Google Lens instantly translates it for you. Segment 4. Smart Money and Payment Tools. Avoid currency exchange fees. Carrying cash in a foreign country can be risky. Here's how to pay safely and avoid unnecessary fees. 10. Wise and Revolut. Fee-free international payments. Wise and Revolut let you hold multiple currencies with the best exchange rates. 11. Splitwise. Track shared expenses with friends. Never argue over splitting bills again. Splitwise tracks shared expenses and calculates who owes what. Segment 5. Smart Connectivity Tools. Stay online anywhere in the world. Staying connected is essential for navigation, payments, and safety. Here's how to avoid expensive roaming charges. 12. Airalo and Holafly. eSIMs for instant data. Skip the hassle of buying a local SIM card. eSIMs let you activate mobile data in over 190 countries instantly. 13. Skyroam and Solis. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots. Great for group trips. These pocket-sized hotspots offer unlimited Wi-Fi globally. Segment 6. Smart Health and Safety Tools. Stay safe while traveling. Your health and safety should be a top priority. whether you're exploring a new city or venturing into remote areas. These tools ensure you're prepared for any situation. 14. Travel insurance apps, Safety Wing and Allianz, instant coverage anywhere. Unexpected medical issues or trip cancellations? Safety Wing and Allianz offer on-the-go travel insurance with 24/7 assistance. 15. Be Safe and Noonlight, personal safety apps solo travelers. These apps let you share your location with trusted contacts and send emergency alerts with a single tap. 16. First Aid by American Red Cross, emergency medical guidance. No internet? No problem. This app provides step-by-step instructions for handling medical emergencies on the go. Segment 7. Smart entertainment and productivity. Make travel time count. Long flights, layovers, and train rides don't have to be boring. Here's how to stay entertained and productive while traveling. 17. Pocket and Audible. Read and listen without Wi-Fi. Save articles with Pocket to read offline, or download audiobooks on Audible for entertainment on the go. 18. Calm and Headspace, relaxation and meditation. Stressed while traveling? These meditation apps help you relax, reduce anxiety, and even improve sleep during long-haul flights. 19. Notion and Evernote, travel journals and planning. Keep track of your travel notes, itineraries, and memories in one place with these powerful note-taking apps. Segment 8. Smart accommodation and local experience apps. Feel at home anywhere. Finding the right place to stay and immersing yourself in local culture can make your trip unforgettable. 20. Airbnb and Booking.com. Find unique stays and last-minute deals from luxury hotels to cozy homestays. These apps help you find the perfect accommodation at the best price. 21. Eat with and with locals. Dine and explore with locals. Skip the tourist traps. Eat With connects you with locals for home-cooked meals, while With Locals offers private city tours by residents. 22. Culture Trip and Atlas Obscura. Discover hidden gems, uncover off-the-beaten-path experiences and unique local attractions beyond the usual tourist spots. Segment 9. Smart eco-friendly travel. Reduce your carbon footprint, travel sustainably and make a positive impact with these eco-friendly tools. 23. Ecosia Travel. Search and book while planting trees. Book hotels and flights through Ecosia Travel, and they'll plant trees to offset your carbon footprint. 24. Too Good to Go. Reduce food waste and save money. This app lets you buy unsold restaurant food at discounted prices, reducing waste while saving money. 25. Public transport and bike-sharing apps. Lime, Bird, Nextbike. Use eco-friendly transport options to explore cities without contributing to pollution. Segment 10. Hidden travel tools. The best-kept secrets for smarter travel. These underrated tools can make a huge difference on your next trip. 26. Flush. Find the nearest public restroom. Never worry about finding a clean restroom again. This app maps out bathrooms in cities worldwide. 27. Timeshifter. Beat jet lag like a pro. Created with NASA-backed research, Timeshifter customizes sleep and light exposure plans to help you adjust to new time zones faster. 28. LoungeBuddy. Affordable airport lounge access. Skip crowded airport terminals. LoungeBuddy lets you book airport lounges, even if you're not flying business class. More travel hacks? Technology has transformed travel. Whether it's planning, packing, navigation, payments, or connectivity, these smart tools will make your trips easier and stress-free. Which of these tools will you be using on your next trip? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more travel tips.